Hi friends, and welcome to today's video. I'm Jeanette with Vivo Vintage Designs. Today's video should be a lot of fun. I hope that you enjoy it and that you give it a try. Now let's get started. Hello my friends, and welcome to today's video. Today's video is not a tutorial. It is me sharing with you a painting that I created, and I of course had a vision in mind, but I had no idea how I was going to go about it. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I am self-taught. Everything I've learned about watercolor, I've learned from trial and error or YouTube. And sometimes I start a painting, no clue how I'm going to go about it, and somehow it all comes together in the end. However, this one was questionable. You know, every watercolor painting goes through an ugly stage, but this painting was a constant ugly stage. And there were so many times where I had to walk away because I just wanted to throw it away. But I kept going, I pressed on, and you'll see there are so many stages where this portrait looked like a monster, and it was actually pretty funny. And you'll witness this throughout this video, how you'll question what I was thinking and what I was doing, and I can't even begin to explain it. That's why I'm saying that this is not a tutorial. It is me trying to create a painting that just didn't seem to want to happen, but perseverance and determination worked in my favor today. And in the end, it started to come together. And the funny thing is that I started pulling out art supplies that I didn't even know I had, that I don't remember buying. I don't think I ever used it. And that was the Arteza. I think they're watercolor brush pens. I was looking for something else to achieve a look that I wanted, and I came across these pens, and I figured, let me give it a try. At this point, when I started using them, I figured I had nothing to lose. And it turned out to be really, really helpful for this painting. I also pulled out my Kuretake paints. I had the Arteza brush pens. I had micron pens, gel pens, and I was using my Schmenka watercolor paints for this painting. But you'll see right now she looks like a monster with no mouth, and her eyes it looks evil. It looks possessed. But I'm going to stop talking, and I'm going to let you watch the process and how it went from bad to worse to really, really bad to, okay, this isn't so bad after all. Hey, this is looking pretty good. And in the end, I ended up with a painting that I was very happy with. Was it perfect? Was it exactly what I envisioned? No. But it turned out better than I thought it would turn out because of all the ugly stages. So I'll stop talking, but before I do, I'm going to remind you that all the products used are listed in the description box. If you have any questions or any thoughts, leave them in the comments. I'll always get back to you. And consider joining our Facebook group, Vivo Vintage Design Tutorials, where you can post your versions of the paintings and techniques learned on this channel. All right, everyone, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.